Rigamajig is a comprehensive system for creative learning. It allows teachers to use it for many different curricular needs with the add-on kits, for example, symbol machines, chutes, and locomotion, different ways it can be used for specific projects or learning objectives. In the meantime, it keeps students really engaged, and it's expandable in ways that make it really a great investment for schools, and there's a lasting value because we do have schools who've had this for over 10 years and they're still using them. It is solid. They're made in the US. The scale is quite unique. It's a rare and wonderful opportunity for children to be able to build something larger than themselves and to use heavy materials that are real. Rigamajig really balances the line between challenging without being frustrating. So I hear from teachers a lot that Rigamajig is hard and the students love it. And those are two things that don't always go together. Something that is both challenging and rewarding in the way that they will stick with it and persevere through the challenges that come up, not just in how to make a thing stand up, but in how to communicate with the people that you need in order to get what you imagine, right? And so the social and emotional skills required to collaborate at this level are really at play when you see Rigamajig. In the same way that I taught design thinking to my students at RISD, Rigamajig fosters design thinking when your students play with it. So it fosters creativity, of course, empowers them to come up with solutions that may not be super linear, and it rewards all kinds of critical problem solving. And the way that children design with Rigamajig relates to the way that things are really made in the world. And so they are actually learning about lateral stability. They are learning about how brackets and hardware work. These are real nuts and bolts. Of course, we have designed them especially to not need tools and to be a wonderful scale for children's hands to be using. However, this is how nut and bolt works, and this is wood. So it is a real building set as much as it is a learning material. It helps them to practice and understand actual principles of engineering. It's not just a learning kit that they learn how to use that learning kit. They're learning how to build things when they build with Rigamajig.